Hey, what's up, Elle Ross here with more quick tidbits and tasties on how to build your six-figure personal brand. So today I wanted to go over the top 3 apps plus a bonus one, and there's a lot more where that came from. If you click the link below, I actually went over the top 10 apps and resources I have used to build my successful personal brand, and I've helped others do the same. So make sure to click the link below, and I will make sure to deliver you these resources that you can start using and implementing immediately today. So today, again, I'm going to go over 3 plus 1, which makes 4. So the first one is STEM Social. So this one, I went ahead and made some notes to read so I can make sure to explain it precisely. So I've been using STEM Social for a while now, a couple years, and it has really helped build my engagement, build my audience, and help me reach more people. And so what it allows you to do is a two-way engagement resource. So before, I was constantly glued to my phone, which does take a lot of time, engaging, liking, following, responding. But now there's resources out there that help you do that without being glued to your phone and get other things done for your brand. So it's a two-way engagement source, which means that not only can you pick who you want to engage with, customized, you can also pick and choose who to engage with. And it's curated to help you grow without needing any kind of intervention. And everything's customized, which within my 60-day masterclass, I go through and break it down step by step where you will visually be able to see and follow along. And I will help curate your audience custom to your niche once we decide and define who your precise niche is. So again, there's a link below to join that. Number 2, Canva. Canva is freaking awesome. It's amazing. You can create so much in Canva, from your social media posts to quotes of the day to marketing campaigns, branding resource, templates, flyers, Facebook covers, Instagram covers, PDF guides with like various colors and logo design, and it's beautiful, customized to you, and you could just do so much. And now Canva also offers printing. So if you create a pamphlet or ebook or anything like that and you wanted it printed, you can now do that through Canva. So again, this is something that I go over in my course step by step. And actually the resource that I created for you below, where it goes over more apps and resources, I created that on Canva. So you'll see that Canva is an amazing tool for branding purposes. And if you have a team of people, you can have your team join you on Canva. So that way, now maybe your teammate Emily is working on a project for you, and she can just log in and tweak things, and then you can come back and check it. So that's further down the road when you have a team. But for now, 1, STEM Social, 2, Canva, and 3 is Linktree. So when you have a product or service, or you want to get, maybe your blog out there on Instagram, there's a link that you can place in there to direct people directly to that blog or to that resource. But what Linktree allows you to do is offer multiple options. So if maybe you have a giveaway, or you want someone to subscribe, or you just released a podcast or anything like that, now there's various links within Linktree that they can go to. So example, your website, your YouTube channel, your free guide, a meal plan, whatever it is that you're offering, Linktree allows you to do that, and it now offers customization. So this is a really great resource and tool when you're building a personal brand, or if you have a personal brand, because you want your audience to be able to go directly to whatever it is that you are offering them and the value that you're giving them. So Linktree is a must. And bonus number 4 plus more, Video Shop. So in today's social media marketing world and campaigning, video is big. Imagery is great, but video is going to capture more of your audience. It's going to be more engaging. They get to actually see you and get to learn you. And so Video Shop is awesome for anything you're creating. If you're doing workout video, like I do a lot of workout videos, if you're doing a how-to video, if you're doing this is what I eat in a day video, whatever kind of video content you're doing, it allows you to edit it in the comfort and convenience of your phone. You can do transitions, you can do impose different like PDFs and like have it show while you're talking. It just does so much, and I go into exactly how you do this and exactly how to maximize using this app within my 60-day masterclass, where you will get to see exactly what I'm doing, how you can do it step by step to help you build and grow your personal brand, which will overall help you increase your impact, your influence, and your income within 60 days or less. So if you haven't already registered, there are still spaces available. Make sure to click the link below, where again, we go over all of this plus so much more each week. So just imagine where you are right now today and where you can be in 60 days if you put in the work and you implement the steps that I will be giving you. Like, wowzers, amazing. So again, click the link below, and if you enjoyed this video and you've got something new, please comment, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I look forward to connecting with you soon. Have a great rest of the day.